Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to generate beautiful photos of yourself on Android. Let's begin. There are many AI image generating apps on the Play Store, but the one I recommend is Leonardo AI. Go to the Play Store and download it. Now, open the app and click on Image Gen. Sign up with your account. You can either sign up using Google or an email address. I'll quickly sign up here. Once you create your account, the home page will look like this. Now, click on Image Gen. At the top, tap the settings icon. Here, you can adjust things like the image aspect ratio, the number of images to generate, and advanced settings. Some advanced settings with the diamond icon are paid features, but the free tools work really well too. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credits each month to generate images. Next, we have Style Presets. Click on it, and you'll see different styles like anime, cinematic, concept art, portrait perfect, and many more. In Dynamic, you can choose styles like cinematic, fashion, macro, and others for how your image will look. Now, in the prompt bar, you can type your idea to generate an image. If you want to generate an image based on your own photo, you can upload it. Just click on the Add button and then tap on Image Guidance. Here, you'll find two options. Image to Image. It creates a new image inspired by your reference photo. And Style Reference, it applies the style from your reference photo to guide the generation. I'll choose Image to Image. Now, you can either take a picture, upload from your gallery, paste an image, or even generate from a prompt. I'll upload an image from my gallery. Select your image, and it's done. Now, go to Settings. Turn on Prompt Enhance, and you can set the aspect ratio. I'll keep it default. For style, I'll choose Anime. And under that, I'll pick Anime General Style. In the prompt box, I'll simply type, "Convert this image into anime style." Then hit Enter. It will cost 10 credits, and since we have 150, it's no problem. Now, wait a few seconds. It will take a little time to generate. Once it's done, you'll see it has generated 4 different anime-style images. You can select any of them and download them easily, and that's it. This is how you can use AI to generate beautiful photos of yourself on Android. Thanks for watching.